Okay, so quickly I'm going to show you how to withdraw funds from Robinhood. First, you're going to want to tap on the little profile icon on the bottom right of the screen that looks like a little person here. Then you're going to want to tap Transfers here in the middle of the screen. Then from here, click Transfer to your bank. Type in the amount of money you want to withdraw, tap Review, then tap Submit. It should take 2 to 4 business days to transfer fully back into your linked bank account. Now to check your available withdrawable funds, come back to the home screen here. Tap on the cash bar right in the middle of the screen. This shows you the difference in buying power versus withdrawable cash that you have. Just because you have a certain amount of buying power does not mean you can immediately withdraw that amount from the Robinhood app. Robinhood has what is called a settlement period. This is the trade date plus 2 trading days. This means that you have to wait about 3 days after you sell a share in order to be able to withdraw the amount of the sold share in cash. So even though you may have $500 of buying power, you may only have 170 of that in currently available withdrawable cash. If you sell a share, wait 3 trading days and all of your buying power should be ready to be moved back into your bank account. Thanks for watching.